purpose from.
Good day mga kalagarahe! Welcome back to our channel, and for today's video is mag-feature tayo ng gawa nating Honda TMX 150 Supremo. First off, ang client natin is from Iloilo City pa. So may base bike na siya, and then pinaship niya lang dito sa Cagayan de Oro City, and then pinick up namin dun sa port. So ang ginawa natin is SR400 inspired. So basically yung lines ng SR400, yung chassis niya, ginaya natin nung sa SR400. And as much as we could, ginaya natin yung pinapagaya niya. The build went out smoothly. So ayun, tara, feature na natin. So ito yung resulta ng build mga kalagarahe, SR400 inspired. So ayun, parts reveal tayo. Let's start off dito sa itaas. Ito yung analog na speedometer. And then mid-rise handlebar. And then waffle grip. Ayan. And then bar and signal light. Pakita natin. Ayan. Bar and signal light. And then pina-special request niyang side mirror. Ayan. Then, dito naman sa headlight, ito, bago nating favorite na headlight. It's a very sturdy headlight. Ayan. Yung sa fork, stock pa din. Tapos, nilagyan natin ng fork boots. Ayan. Pero yung triple clamp niya mga kalagarahe, pinalitan na natin para maging mas malapad. Kasi yung stock na TMX Supremo, hindi ganong malapad. And then dito tayo sa fender, custom aluminum fender. Ayan, with custom bracket. And then converted na to disc brake. 17-inch rims and dual sport na yung tires. Ayan. And then dito naman sa tank, ito yung nahanap natin na pinakamalapit sa SR400 na gusto ni sir. Ayan. And then, engine, stock pa din. Pero, upgrade tayo sa ignition coil. And then, racing carburetor. Ayan, 28mm na. Ayan. And then, brand new na shocks. And yung swing arm, minodify na din natin. And then, dito na part na to, ito yung complicated na part mga kalagarahe. Ito, as you can see this triangle. And if kilala nyo yung Honda TMX Supremo mga kalagarahe, ibang-iba siya. Kasi dati ito, yan, pag ganun yung angle niya. So, ang ginawa natin, majority ng chassis, finabricate na natin. Okay? So, starting from up here, ito lahat, custom made na to natin lahat. Ito tong rear part na to. Stock part lang is dyan sa neck part niya and then sa main stem. Ayan. Engine support niya, custom na din. Ayan. Then may underneath tayo. Oh, yan, na-focus na. Yan, may ano tayo dito, underneath tayo na acrylic glass. Para pag maulan or maputik, hindi diretso pupunta sa carburetor. Ayan. And then, custom seat na upholstery. And then, dito naman sa likuran, LED strip natin. Ayan. As requested ni sir, no fender. So, naglagay tayo ng bracket for the plate number. Ayan, as you can see. Then, dyan yung plate number niya. Alright? And dito naman, mga kalagara, if you're wondering, anong paint ginamit natin sa exhaust muffler niya. Actually, ito, is powder coated na lahat. So, ang exhaust niya is powder coated, high temp, powder coated, kaya ganyan siya, super matte. And then, as we test driven it, hindi naman siya nag-burn out. So, gumagana talaga yung high temp na powder coat. Ayan. So, ang ganda niya actually sa personal. Ayan. Then, as requested by the client, blackout. So, itong kickstarter, powder coated na to. Mga foot pedal, brake pedal, powder coated. Swing arm, powder coated. Whole frame, powder coated. Lahat, pati tank. Basically, lahat-lahat powder coated na. So, ito yung first bike na gawa ng Lagarahe na powder coated lahat. Dito sa tank, feature natin, yung logo natin. Ayan. And then yung pin stripping lines. As you can see, yan. And then silver na Honda logo. Alright. Walk through. We hope you like our scrambler build ng Honda TMX 150 Supremo. And as simple as it gets, napakasimple niya lang tignan, pero very complicated yung modification process niya. Just to achieve its simplicity, we did a lot of things. Major modification was done. Alignment. And good thing naman sa atin dito sa Lagarahe is laser guided na yung paggawa natin ng chassis. So, perfectly aligned talaga. And as we tested it out, tinest drive natin, wala namang resistance sa liko. And then, kahit mag no hands pa kami sa motor, matuloy naman yung takbo niya. Shoutout pala sa iyo, Sir Renzo, for trusting Lagarahe. Kahit ang layo natin, you still trusted us in building your custom Honda TMX Supremo na scrambler. And we talked over the phone and nagustuhan naman niya yung build. Kuhang-kuha daw sa pinapagaya niya. So, ayun, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And by the way, mga Kalagarahe, please don't forget to visit our Facebook page. Doon po tayo mag-usap sa mga inquiries and sa mga price list. PM nyo lang po kami doon sa Facebook page, Lagarahe Motorcycles Classic Custom MC. So, ayun. Kapish!